Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing will it microwave half of a zucchini. Me and my friend Zace. This is Zace. We broke a zucchini in half because we were karate chopping it. So we decided to do this. And we're putting it for 1 minute this time because last time 30 seconds never did anything interesting. So we'll go back when something is interesting. So far, it's not doing anything interesting, and we are a little 10 seconds. We have 20 seconds left. Nothing interesting has happened so far. So we'll get back if it does do something interesting. So it's done. It didn't really do anything interesting. But yeah, that's it. Don't tell my mom. For what?